Hey guys, I'm Elizabeth Kasai if you didn't already know. I'm going to walk you through my makeup routine. I've already washed my face beforehand. Now I'm just going to prep my face. I'm going to prep my face with the Glossier Super Bounce. So that was my base. I'm gonna come back to my face later. First thing I'm gonna be doing is my eyebrows. I normally just fill them in first. And then I just brush everything up. And I'm gonna set my brows with the Glossier Boy Brow. I always go in upwards motion and clean it up. I accidentally poked my eye. Now that I'm done with my eyebrows, I do my foundation. I'm just gonna be using Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. This shade may look a bit too light for me at the moment because I'm a bit tan right now. I'm just gonna blend all of that in with my fingers because I feel like blending it all in with my fingers just gives it that super natural look. And now that that's done, I'm gonna go in with the concealer on the spots that might need a little bit more coverage. Alright, next up we're gonna contour the face. I'm using this Sculpt stick. I love that bronzed glow look. And I'm gonna take this Stamp Beauty blender and just I'm just gonna go in again. I just love that defined look. You see the difference that makes? Just the bronzer just makes everything so sharp. Now one of the most important parts for me is contouring my nose. Helps to all the beauty gurus and all that who do like this insane makeup tutorials. I love those. I love watching makeup tutorials, but not all makeup suits everyone's face. Like, it looks great on them, no doubt. But if I were to do it, it just doesn't look as good on me. Because, I mean, everyone's face is built differently. I mean, obviously, I've had to wake up and look at this face every single day of my life. So I know what works best for my face and I know what looks the shittiest on my face. So that's why I'm just here telling you guys that this is not a tutorial. Because what works for me may not work for you guys. But I just wanted you guys to see what I do with my face. I also contour the bottom of my nose just so it looks more defined and more up. Just for that extra oomph. You see the difference it makes? I don't know. Next up, I'm gonna take my Glossier Highlighter in the shade Halo Skull. Now I look like a glazed donut. I'm just going to go ham. I tend to screw up my eyeshadow a lot because I'm not used to doing eyeshadow. I like the dark under eye look. Let's take this eyelash curler. I recently got my eyelash extensions out, so my eyelashes are still a little bit sensitive, so even curling them kind of hurts. Oh, and the only reason it hurts is because I have the tendency to just pluck the eyelash extensions. You shouldn't do that. Then I'm just gonna do a little bit of the bottom lashes. I don't use blush. I don't like using blush because my face is already naturally red. So using blush just makes my face super red and I don't like that look. I don't know, I'm just not a blush type of person. And for my lips, I'm not a big lipstick person either. And I like the color of my lips. I'm just gonna make it a little bit more colorful. MAC lipstick in the shade Kinda Sexy. Then I'm going to take my Glossier lip gloss. And that is my finished look. I hope you guys liked it and enjoyed this video, and leave comments down below for more video ideas.